Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2013 Honda NC700X. This sport touring bike just arrived with 41,000 miles. She runs perfectly, beautiful condition, black and silver. It's got the tall smoke windscreen. It's got a great sounding Akrapovic exhaust, SW Motec handguards, and that unique feature, the storage case that the NC700 is known for. Put a full face helmet in there, really great. It's got the GV top case. Just checked out and serviced. Everything's good to go. Come on by. Make your NC700 commuter dreams come true for just $34.99. This bike is priced to sell quickly. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. This bike gets 55 to 60 miles per hour.